Energy God representing for Jambox 876 with my good friend Smitty Dan. Kaboom! Yo, Smitty Dan, Jambox a bad man. Smitty Dan, we no rad man, no bad man, no freak man. 876, yo, Energy God representing. Kaboom! Yeah.
It's me again. It's your girl Vanessa representing for Jambox 876, and we're at it again for season 2 of episode 3. Alright, so we're on what plaza your name? Lane Plaza. And today's question is, how would you shoot your shot at a man or a woman? So come with me, let's go ask some simple question.
Kaboom! Yo! Energy God representing for Jambox 876.
I'm Mr. A. Little Miss Lueni Pulem Stiff. Hello. Alright, hi, good evening.
Hello.
Alright, so the question for today is, you see a guy where you like, you want him, no say you want him, or you gotta approach him?
Go to him and tell him someone like him.
Oh my God! Straight up.
Yeah, my number. I put up. Yeah.
Just like that. Baby, I want you. My friend, I want you. Yo, my nigga, I want you. That is it. Alright. So there with one and only popping in the building. Alright, so how go, G?
There, I know. No, I go.
Alright. So the question for you today is, you see a woman where you like, right? Or you shoot your shot, or you make sure you know say you want her.
You know, when I shoot woman, no. Is it? Yo, what I'm going to do, look woman still now, woman look me, is he free? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's my thing.
They say that.
Yeah.
So that is it, my people. Him no look woman look him. As you can see, just take a look over this, you know. Them there lining up, waiting. Alright? Alright, that's it. It's one man out there where you like, right? Oh, you get him attention.
Look on him from head to toe and just walk a step on him, so you know one and more than that.
So that's your sign of telling him that you want it. Alright. He must know say that from she look on him from head to toe.
It's a boy, Mr. Lex, you know, you don't know you're watching Jambox 876. Keep it locked right there. Don't.
You know there with the big bad artist, Alibi. Introduce yourself to them now.
You don't know Alibi they are representing for Jambox, and you don't know everybody we are watching right now. You can find Alibi on YouTube, every digital platform. So I say Instagram Alibi_official. So what Jambox are dealing with today?
Alright, so this is what we are dealing with today. You see a girl or you like, or you go shoot your shots to make sure you know say you want her.
Yo, me different still, you know, I'm a Sagittarian, you know, I just get straight to the point. You see me, I see a girl in my life, I just go tell her my mind. You know what I mean? It says me I try to walk over and I try to pretend to be something that I am not. I just have to make you see the true me from the beginning. Wrong, I'm right. Say if I want you, I just tell you, say I want you. Straight. I go love you, good make you want pay me. Yeah man, check out.
Alright, that is it, my people. How would you shoot your shot at a guy, make him know say you want him still?
Honestly, to be real, like with the situation that I'm currently in, I actually shoot my shot with my boyfriend. I just went up to him and I told him that I liked him. Listen, life too short, you know. Life too short. Is it I know? I never we're together. Like we're together for like 1 year now. So you're not gonna know if you're gonna try. Yeah.
Alright. So you hear that, ladies? No matter how shy you be, make the boy know say you want him. That is it. So you see a female where you like, or you go shoot your shot at her and make she know say, hey, me I want you, you know.
I contact alone tell man, you know. You can read through body language too, you know. So sometimes you leave have to say nothing.
Alright.
And it just works same way. Easy. You get the picture?
Yeah man. Easy does it. Yeah, understand? Just eye contact alone. That is it.
Yeah,
alright, so you see a girl where you like, right?
Yeah.
And you want her now say you want her. Or you wouldn't shoot your shot?
Alright, but I tell her, say, yo, babes, also what I like to know you. What's your name? Where you come from? You know?
That's it?
Yeah. Get to know each other, you know? Yeah.
You're not gonna tell her say she look cute and she have a nice ass.
Yeah, man, I say, babes, look, why, I'm with a wife, you know, babes, yeah. Beautiful girl in the world, huh, babe? You're beautiful like the sunset. Yeah.
Alright. You're here. You're beautiful like the sunset. And she have everything going on. Alright?
We gonna dance. Cheese. We gonna dance. Tuesday, so red dance. You're friends with my friends. Hyena Jam.
It's a boy, Mr. Lex. You don't know you're watching Jambox 876. Keep it locked right here. Don't.
We're there with the one and only Pele. Alright? Pele Bantan.
Yeah,
You hear
the dancer there's my friend and them nice and them dance good. There's Buju Bantan nephew.
Alright.
Everything.
So Pele,
Yeah.
you see a nice girl. And
Yeah.
you want her.
If you want, ma, you more are you.
You want me?
Tande.
Alright. Why you wouldn't shoot your shot? Why you wouldn't make me know say you want me?
Then if me I tell you some more and know me I tell you, eh? What is it?
So suppose I want to hear something more, something nice, romantic.
What more you want here?
We'll eat more Pele.
Anything you want me give you towards life.
You hear that? Anything you want me, give me, girl. Alright, that is it. Thank you, Pele. So we're there again. Alright? How are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling fine, you know?
Alright. So, you see a girl where you like?
Yeah.
Or you wouldn't shoot your shot and make she know say you want her?
You know, say, up on a big man level, I just walk over to her and say, baby, you know, say, me I pray from a distance, though, babes. You see it? You don't really want to get to know you, know, baby. You see it? No joke.
No joke.
Yeah.
So that is it.
Yeah, exactly.
Straight up. You hear? Just walk over to her and say, baby, I like to get to know you. And call it a day. No long talking no night.
Kaboom! Yo, Smitty Dan. Jambox a bad man. Smitty Dan. We no rad man. No. Bad man, no freak man. 876, yo. Energy God representing.
So,
Kaboom!
Auntie, good night.
Good night.
Alright. You see a man where you like?
Yeah.
Right? Why you wouldn't shoot your shot and make him know say you want him? Talk to the people.
Boy, me have to say I go on. If you look like something I go on for you, because if you don't go on for me, I do it. It make no sense. I'm old. Any man me I talk to right now must can do something for me. So if you see like something I go on for him, me I put on my good face and my good self and walk so near to him. Me I find something to say to him. Me I find somebody where him know to tell him something. Because like something I go on for him, I want in it.
Stop it. Get some help.
It's not some steer. If it look like something I go on for him, I just want in it.
Alright. So, Auntie want the man, as long as something not going for him and him look put together and proper, she go shoot her shot.
Yep, good to go. Shizzle. Dearth is nothing. Jambox. Image is everything. Obey your image. Yo, Bunda. Bunda train.
Yo, this Lucky Music representing for Jambox 876. Big up Smitty Dan. Big up HMP, big up Scotcher, big up Homegirl.